welcome to $3 TV. I am Ruchi Sharma. India is preparing to launch its own Reserve Bank-backed digital currency to enable faster and more secure transactions, Commerce Minister Goyal announced in Doha. He said the currency would carry an RBI guarantee similar to traditional money and would use blockchain for transparency and efficiency. Goyal added that this innovation could curb illegal activities through verifiable transactions. While India leads globally in crypto adoption, the government remains cautious about unregulated assets. Goyal clarified that cryptocurrencies without sovereign backing or tangible assets will not be encouraged. BitMine Immersion Technologies has added 179,251 Ether worth $821 million, bringing its total Ether holdings to 2.83 million, over 2% of the token supply. The firm's total crypto and cash reserves now stand at $13.4 billion, including 192 BTCs and a stake in 8 core holdings. Led by Thomas Lee, BitMine aims to acquire 5% of Ethereum supply and stake its holdings for yield. Lee said crypto and artificial intelligence remain key super-cycle investment themes, with Ether undervalued compared to its long-term potential. ZOOZ Power Limited has purchased 329 Bitcoin for about $40 million, bringing its total holdings to 854 BTC valued at over $100 million. The move aligns with its Bitcoin Treasury reserve strategy announced earlier this year. CEO Jordan Freed said the firm remains committed to holding Bitcoin long-term and offering investors equity exposure to the asset class. Funded by proceeds from a private placement in July, the purchase underscores ZOOZ's strategy to position Bitcoin as a key balance sheet reserve asset. Grayscale Investments has become the first US issuer to offer Ethereum and Solana staking in its spot exchange traded products. The feature is now live for Grayscale Ethereum Trust ETFs and Grayscale Solana Trust. This innovation allows traditional investors to earn staking rewards through regulated instruments without directly holding crypto. Grayscale said the move bridges traditional finance and blockchain participation. However, it cautioned that these products are not covered under the Investment Company Act of 1940 and carry risk. Leap Therapeutics has raised $58.88 million through a PIPE funding round led by Winklevoss-backed to create a digital asset treasury. The biotechnology firm announced that the capital will fund both crypto treasury developments and its clinical pipeline. The agreement also expands Leap's board to 12 members, granting Winklevoss-backed 2 nominations, including the chairperson. The financing includes common stock and warrants priced at $0.61 per unit, closing around October 8th. Leap said details on the digital asset strategy will be revealed soon. BlackRock will list its iShares Bitcoin exchange-traded product on the London Stock Exchange starting October 8th. The launch expands retail access to Bitcoin exposure in the UK after the Financial Conduct Authority lifted its 2021 ban on crypto ETPs. The move mirrors BlackRock's success with its iShares Bitcoin Trust in the US and marks growing confidence in regulated digital asset products. Other issuers like Bitwise, WisdomTree, and 21 Shares already operate in the UK, but until now, access was limited to professional investors. BlackRock's iShares Bitcoin Trust has become the company's most profitable ETF, earning over $244 million annually and nearing $100 billion in assets. Bloomberg's Eric Balchunas called its rise absurd, noting IBIT reached its level in just 435 days, faster than any ETF in history. Standard Chartered predicts Bitcoin could hit $200,000 this year, supporting IBIT's bullish outlook. The ETF now surpasses long-established BlackRock funds like IVV and IWF, marking a breakthrough for Bitcoin's acceptance in mainstream finance. A7A5, a ruble-backed stablecoin issued in Kyrgyzstan, has surpassed Circle's euro-pegged EURC to become the world's largest non-USD stablecoin, reaching a market cap nearing $500 million according to DeFi Llama. The token's value surged 43% in one day. A7A5 now represents over 40% of the global non-dollar stablecoin market. Meanwhile, the European Union is reportedly considering sanctions that would prohibit European Union citizens and firms from interacting with A7-A5, citing its potential use in bypassing Western sanctions on Russia. Digital asset platform Facet has received a provisional banking license in Malaysia to launch what it calls the world's first stablecoin-powered Islamic digital bank. Operating under a regulatory sandbox, Facet plans to offer Sharia-compliant savings, investments, and financing products using tokenized assets. The Dubai and Jakarta-based firm will also launch on Ethereum Layer 2 network owned to settle real-world assets on-chain. CEO Mohammad Rafi Hussain said the move blends fintech innovation with Islamic financial ethics and global inclusion goals. Tokyo-based real estate firm LibWork has bought 29.64 BTC for $3.3 million as part of its new digital asset strategy. The company, known for its tech-driven housing and NFT-linked real estate projects, said it plans to integrate cryptocurrency into property transactions. Managed by SBI VC Trade, the Bitcoin purchase marks LibWork's first major step into digital finance. The company's stock has risen 28% in 6 months, reflecting growing investor confidence in its crypto-focused expansion. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Mute Sharma signing off. Keep watching $3 TV.